know Dr. Subramanyam from 1974, from the time when both of us were getting ready for entrance examination for getting into MBBS. From that time onwards, we were classmates during MBBS time and MS General Surgery time. And during MCH, that's the only time we parted. He went to the urology, I went to the cardiothoracic surgery. So we were almost together for close to 15 years. He's a very sincere, studious person and very disciplined person and honest to the core. And he's a typical professional wherein he is interested only in the patient and nothing else around. I mean, none of the usual, even we are practicing, a lot of other things we have to take care, but he is always interested only in the patient care. I wish him all the best.
I have known Dr. Subramanyam for the last 12 years and he has never ever disappointed me as a surgical colleague. Sometimes patients walk into my office and they say, we want to have a transplant and can you put us on to a good transplant surgeon? And you know what I tell them? I tell them, I'm not going to give you a good transplant surgeon, I'm going to give you the best transplant surgeon in South India. And Dr. Subramanyam has all the 3 A's that would make him an A-list surgeon. He has got availability, affability and ability. His ability is beyond reproach. He's an excellent surgeon. As far as affability is concerned, he has wonderful communication skills and once patient meets him, they feel extremely comfortable and happy. And availability, I doubt if he ever takes a day off. At any point in time, anytime you call him, he's available, ready to come and help us out. In fact, he is our 3 a.m. urologist. So here's wishing Dr. Subramanyam all the best.
I have known Mr. Subramanyam since 2009 when I joined this hospital. He's a man of few words and I believe that it is this attribute that has made him to have increasing responsibilities. I wish Mr. Subramanyam all the best in all his endeavors.
Dr. Subramanyam is one of the best transplant surgeons in the city I have known. He is a very polite and soft-spoken person. His surgical skills are exemplary and the patient satisfaction I have observed in the post-operative period speaks for itself. His greatest asset is the simplicity and he demonstrates in handling complicated post-operative issues. He guides one and all in handling them and he maintains a very good rapport with his seniors, juniors and all the colleagues in the surgical team. Overall a very good surgeon and I am glad I am working with him here in Apollo Hospital. I congratulate him on all the achievements so far and also wish him all the best for a bright career ahead.
డాక్టర్ సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారు పేషెంట్ పట్ల చాలా నిదానంగా వాళ్ళ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వినిన తర్వాత ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఇస్తారు. నాకు కూడా మొత్తం విన్న తర్వాత ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చారు. నాకు చాలా ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉన్నాను. ఆయనకు ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతున్నాను.
I know Dr. Subramanyam for more than 30 years. Our friendship started right from the time when we were colleagues doing our general surgery residency in the early 80s. He had a brilliant academic career. He has a brilliant mind and a great pair of hands, combination amongst surgeons. And his results in surgery speaks for themselves. I am proud to say he's a dear friend and I am sure he will excel at anything he would like to do. And I wish him the very best.
is very encouraged to work with him. He is soft nature person who can get things done tactfully. He treat all the staff very nicely and respect everybody. Thank you, sir.
Dr. Subramanyam is a great urologist and transplant surgeon. He is dedicated, committed to his work. Whenever we had problem in ICU, he is always there to help us. When we went to inaugurate Jeevandan Nodal Center in MGM Hospital, Warangal, that time we have seen one medicine professor wearing mask, and then we asked him what happened to you, and then he said, I underwent renal transplant in Apollo with a very good transplant team, that is the #1 transplant team, and he told the names, Dr. Somashekhar and Dr. Subramanyam, they did renal transplant to me. So then everyone came to know that Dr. Subramanyam is #1 transplant surgeon in the state. So we are lucky to work with him in this hospital. Thank you, sir.
గత 20 years నుంచి డాక్టర్ గారు పనిచేస్తున్నాను. పేషెంట్ కేర్ బాగా తీసుకున్నారు డాక్టర్ గారు. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
I'm privileged to talk about Dr. Subramanyam sir. He is very calm and quiet surgeon. He is very good human being. I really thank to sir.
I am one of the patient of Dr. Subramanyam Garu. He treats me well. He treats me very well and very nice. I am very thankful to him.
My name is Kaushik and I am the son of Dr. Subramanyam. Saying that in itself means so much to me because very few are the privilege of having such an amazing father. His constant effort and dedication in work always inspired me at each and every stage of life. My father once told me that I was known by his name, that is, I was the son of Dr. Subramanyam, and that one day it should be the reverse, that he should be known by my name. Given the big, huge bar that he set, I guess it will be a very tough task, but I'll do my best.
We got married 25 years back. That is the simplest way I can tell about him. As a human being, he is very calm and very simple and down to earth person. He never hurts anybody. As a surgeon, you people know better than me that he is a very good surgeon, and actually surgery is his passion, and he keeps himself updated with every latest technology. He is the parrot papa, and he always takes care of my children, and my children, they go to their dad first to explain their problems or to share their feelings, everything. I like him so much for his coolness and calmness, and he is a very simple person. Characteristically, he is simple. He is very simple. He is a 200% surgeon, 200% a son. Then he is 200% a parent also. You have given me, shown me the 25 years life so enjoyable, and still I am in it for. I will be in it for forever. Thank you very much.